Welcome to Alaska Duck Adventure. Welcome back, and today we're going to let the ducklings get out of here and have their first swim. Go play in some water. Alright, let's jump into this. Alright, as you can see, I've already made a mess and the ducks are not even in there. Let's get the duckies and see how they play in water for their first time. Alright, give them a little step to get in. Hopefully it's enough so they can get out. It's not that deep. One ducky.
One ducky.
Yeah.
Two ducky.
Two ducky. Alright, let's see if they get in the water. There you go. Get in. There you go.
The first ducky.
Their feet. So cool.
What?
Their feet. Yeah, the slapping, the noise they make.
No, what?
It's all nice and clean bedding down for them, food, fresh water, all ready to go. Appreciate you guys watching. Looks like they had fun. Took a little bit. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, bye.